Officer Riley leaned back in her chair, a smug grin playing on her lips as the young black man stood silently at the defendant's table. 2 days earlier, she had pulled him over, not because of any real violation, but because she didn't like the confident way he drove through a wealthy neighborhood. When he had politely asked why he was being stopped, she slapped him with a charge of obstruction. Now he stood in court, dressed in a plain suit jacket, calm and composed. "Just another loudmouth," Officer Riley muttered to the bailiff with a quiet chuckle. "This won't take long." The judge entered the courtroom. Silence settled like a weight. Then the man cleared his throat and spoke clearly. "Your Honor, before we begin, I'd like to state that I'll be representing myself." There was a ripple of surprise across the courtroom. "I'm a federal prosecutor with the U.S. Department of Justice." Officer Riley's smirk faded in an instant. The man continued, his voice firm and steady. "I have documented evidence of an unlawful traffic stop, abuse of authority, and racial profiling. I'll be filing a formal complaint with Internal Affairs in the DOJ's Civil Rights Division." The judge narrowed his eyes. "You're with the DOJ?" The man stepped forward and handed over his badge and credentials. "Yes, Your Honor, and I'd also like to request that Officer Riley face sanctions for perjury in her written report." Riley sank back into her seat, color draining from her face. Within minutes, the case was dismissed. The courtroom buzzed with whispers of shock and disbelief. As the man walked out, head high, he passed Officer Riley without giving her so much as a glance. But everyone else looked at her, and none of them were smiling anymore.